Alright, so after the big mess that I had with the previous brand of screen protector for my watch, for the Samsung 6 Classic watch 47mm, the screen protector was not fitting perfectly. It has some gap around the edges, so I had to remove it and send it back. Now let's try with this one that claims it's on purpose for the 47mm Galaxy watch. So we're going to check that, see if it's true. Even the seller confirmed it. So let's find out if it's really true and if it fits the screen of the watch perfectly like it should be. So different brand, it's from SPGUARD. They call that the premium tempered screen protector with some instruction here on how to install it. All right, about installation, let's do that right now. All right, everything is good to go. First, before to install the screen on the watch, I'm going to turn off the watch. Here we go. Once the watch is turned off, it will be easier to install the screen without having the watch to complain all the time about the fact you are touching the screen. Now let's see what's included in the box. Here we do have this little suction cup that they were talking about on the instruction. Some cleaning wipes. There's a lot of cleaning wipes. And guiding sticker. And dust removal sticker. Well, since there is 4 screens in the box, of course there is 4 sets of everything, so that's great. And now let's get the screen. So here we go, 4 screens, 4 stickers, and 4 of those wipes, 4 sets of wipes here. And the suction cup. All right, first of all, of course, cleaning the watch screen. So we're going to use the wipe 1 and then the wipe 2. The 1 first, which is the wet one, and the 2 is the dry one. I'm taking advantage of that for cleaning my bezel as well. Now the dry wipe. They are very tiny, so if you have big finger like myself, it could be a little bit of a challenge. Now we are going to get this dust absorber sticker. Be sure to remove all bit of dust left still on the screen. Normally, since I have the suction cup, I should not need those guide sticker, but some people prefer to use the guide sticker instead of the suction cup, so it's up to you. Removing dust time. Obviously, the screen have to be super clean and dust-free, because you don't want to trap any dust between the screen protector and your watch screen. Once that is done, it costs nothing to add a little bit of compressed air to finish the job. Go gently. You do not want to create a big storm in the room and add more dust as a result. Once the screen is completely dust-free and clean, now it's the installation step of the screen protector itself. And the first thing I'm going to try if it's the right size. Here we go. Perfect. No gap that I can see. Alright, I can install it now. Again, I may have had some dust, so checking up the screen. So up, a little bit of duster here. You want to use the suction cup on the opposite side of the screen from the sticker. So that will be the top of the screen. That is the bottom, the screen that goes in contact with the watch screen. This could be a bit tricky, so I advise you to use the bag that comes with the screen protector to lay it flat on the table, and then you will have more surface to resist when you use the suction cup. That way you do not break your screen protector. And here we go, ready to install. Now is the step where I can remove this sticker, which will remove the bottom screen protection, and doing so it should remove the masking, the protective sticker in the bottom here. Here we go. Like so. And now holding the screen protector by the suction cup, one last little cleanup. And now I apply the screen protector right in the center of the watch. If I'm not happy, I can recenter it. And once I'm happy, I can just press the middle of the screen. Here we go, and we can see that it's bounding with the screen here slowly with the watch screen. Let me show you a little bit closer. You can see slowly bounding there with the watch screen. Anyway, we can now remove the suction cup, pressing the side of it. That's it. And now I'm going to use a fiber cloth to finish chasing all the air bubble from the screen protector. Don't panic though if you didn't remove all the air bubble under the screen. They say that it may take 24 hours-ish for those bubbles to disappear. But it definitely helps if you push them from the center to the corner with your soft microfiber cloth like I show you right here. And that's it! Your screen protector is now installed, and we can see now for sure that those 47mm from SPGUARD premium screen protector works perfectly with the Samsung Watch 6 Classic 47mm. Finally, a screen protector that does not have some gap around the corner, and it fits nicely against the bezel. Once everything is finished, of course, we can boot up the watch and have a look of how the screen looks like with the screen protector installed. Here we go, my watch started, and so far it looks very good with no gap. There we go, and no air bubble. So that's perfect. Now let's see how responsive the screen is with this new screen protector applied on it. So here we go. Works perfectly, and it's responsive even if I slightly touch the screen. So far works. All perfect. Good to go. Very happy so far with this screen protector. Alright, thanks again for watching. Hope this video has been useful for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.